Hey Boss Diva, today in Citadel Electronics we built a simple system that is made by solar panel. Then the inverter means which convert 12 volts to 220 voltage. As you see there, you can power your TV of course or other device that consume alternative current. And then you have here a charger controller which is a 12 volts 10 amp charger controller, and then you have a battery which is a small, and then it is a 12 volts 5 amp hour. And then of course here we were good to go, and then we power our device without buying electricity, means off-grid system. Let's try to run and see if we can have 220 volts at output. Here we go. I'm gonna pull out my multimeter and then I'm gonna turn it on just like that. Then I calibrate my multimeter to 220 or 750 voltage, and of course let me try to put it in the display just like that. You see the load is already on our charger controller, and then you see that when you turn on the inverter, you see the green red there showing light. Then check on multimeter. If we measure the voltage, we will see that the output will be 197, which is not a bad result compared to 220 marked there at the output of our inverter. So this system can be life-saving when you are off-grid or when the power cuts off, means when the main power cuts off. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give it by subscribing on this channel. Hit like to this video to enable YouTube algorithm spread it. Ciao, bye. We love you.